Mikhail Blagosklonny is a scientist who studies cancer and aging. He is a professor of oncology at the Roswell Park Cancer Institute in Buffalo, New York. Career: Blagosklonny earned both his MD in internal medicine and his PhD in experimental medicine and cardiology from the First Pavlov State Medical University of St. Petersburg. He was appointed Associate Professor of Medicine at New York Medical College, Valhalla, New York in 2002, before taking a position as a senior scientist at Ordway Research Institute, Albany, New York. Blagosklonny held this position until 2009, when he was appointed Professor of Oncology at Roswell Park Cancer Institute. Blagosklonny's research interests include cancer and targeted cancer therapies that protect normal cells from damage, as well as the underlying mechanisms of aging, biogerontology, and anti-aging drugs. Rapamycin and aging. Blagosklonny has formulated a hypothesis about the possible role of TOR signaling in aging and cancer and proposed using rapamycin, a popular cancer drug, as a possible treatment for life extension. He advocates for rapamycin use in longevity research. Editorial activities. Blagosklonny is editor-in-chief of Aging, Cell Cycle, and OncoTarget. In addition, he is associate editor of Cancer Biology and Therapy and a member of the editorial board of Cell Death and Differentiation. The peer review process employed by OncoTarget has been criticized by Jeffrey Buell, a university librarian and expert on predatory open access publishing, who also included OncoTarget and Aging on his list of potential, possible, or probable predatory scholarly open access journals in July 2015. Further reports on Buell's blog suggest that the substandard peer review processes for these journals are used by their respective editors-in-chief to entice prospective authors to include references to Blagosklonny's own publications in their articles following the peer review, thereby raising his personal citation impact. References: